Oh shoot, I forgot my case. Hold on a minute, gotta redo it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have had an absolutely outstanding week. We are once again back at Ovi's shop here for another video. I cannot thank you guys enough for all the love and support lately. It's been so much fun on the journey, and hopefully you guys are having half as much fun as we are, because it's absolutely amazing. Let's get into the shop here so we can start today's video. It is nice. Look at the shop. Oh, it's always nice in here. Boy, you already know that. If this is your guys' first time to the channel, make sure you go back and watch some of our other videos so you can get caught up on what projects we do have going on currently in the shop here. A couple of Ovi's skid loaders here we've been working on, and then on the other side here. And the purpose of today's video is my Denali that I picked up. This thing is coming along super sick. You can see it's leveled back out. If you didn't catch the last video, my amazing wife, Tori, bought me these amazing wheels and tires. These are 24 by 12 hardcore off-road wheels. Super good chrome, gonna look super sweet in the spring and summer, and then wrapped in 33-inch mud tires there. Looks incredible. Headlights, grill, intake, all the good stuff. This truck's fully built, motor, trans, everything's ready to go. We are just cleaning up a bunch of the cosmetic things on this truck, and that is kind of why I wanted to make today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, we are an up-and-coming channel, so we are trying to grow our brand, grow our business, and part of that is working with reputable companies in the industry. So if you do want to work with us on all these projects you see on the channel, please reach out. But with that being said, today's video is sponsored by Boost Auto Parts. These guys have been absolutely incredible, rocking with us from the absolute beginning. So thank you, Boost Auto. I cannot thank you enough. Josh has been absolutely awesome, taking care of us time and time again. Today's mod is something that's not super major, but I did see it advertised, I believe, on the gram a while ago, and I've always wanted to upgrade it. Now, for this truck here, it is a little bit older. It's a 2011. So part of bringing it into this century, into the newer style trucks, we're gonna be upgrading the key fob. I know it's not super crazy, but it's all in the subtle details, you guys. It's all in the subtleties here. So if we come around the back here, here it is, Boost Auto Parts. If you guys haven't heard of them before, you've been living under a rock, check them out. They got things for all the different brands of trucks. Yes, I know I still got to put them caps on, still got to torque everything down. Kind of was in a rush in the last video, so maybe we'll do that here. But let's open this up and see what we got for this key fob. This is the old one, so yeah, just drop it, Joe. But this is the old one, not in bad shape by any means, but we do want to kind of upgrade it. So let's see what's inside here. So it looks like they sent it in this nice mailer, nice little sticker, nice little koozie there, got to represent, a couple magnets here. And then over here, here is the new style key fob. There you can see them up next to each other. And I am really impressed with the quality of this thing. This thing actually got a little girth to it, a little weight to it. It doesn't seem cheap in any way, so that's super nice. Love the style, and I believe the remote start's even programmed. You can customize each key, get on there and click all the options you do want. I did want the remote start, even though we have about 30 engine lights on, it ain't gonna work anyway. But it also comes with this controller, so you can just plug this in the OBD2 port in the truck. And I believe it's a simple procedure. We'll go through that in just a second. Otherwise, you might have to take it to a dealership or something. Ovi has a programmer down at the shop. He could have done it, but pay a little extra, you get this, and can just do it yourself and save you some money. So super cool product here, gonna look absolutely incredible. Now, let's try to get this sucker on. All right, now as I do a lot of things, I try to do it by memory. I watched one YouTube video and now I'm a pro, of course, so I believe it's not gonna be super hard to do. I think we just gotta put the key in the ignition, turn it on, wait for that thing to beep, anyways, we'll go through that in just a minute. I was charging up. This battery dies constantly, so we are going to have to upgrade the batteries here in this truck. Look at that sucker. Look at all that blue junk on there. Getting all bent out of shape. But anyways, I can't get over the wheel setup, guys. I gotta stop. Focus on the keys one thing at a time. Let's get to the other side and try this baby out. And hopefully the charger's got enough juice, boy. You gotta have that Celsius, boy. All right, let's grab what we need here. These 3 items. Come around the other side. Look at them old wheels. Gosh darn it. Maybe we need those for burnouts, though. We'll probably keep them. Might come in handy. Let's squeaky, squeaky. One day I'm gonna fix the seat, guys. Got that new wheel too. If you didn't see it, go back. All right, let's get up in here, boy, and see what we can do. All right, so let's grab our old key, put it in the ignition over here. Oh boy, it's flickering a little bit. Let's cut them lights off, boy. Yeah, you can hear it already buzzing. Let's take this sucker here. Let's find our OBD2 port in there. Plug that in, boy. Actually had to turn it all the way to run, but you see this remote key learning active. Then I just held down the lock and unlock button on here and it beeped, and check this out. I'll be darned if the sum gun don't work, boy. Let's see if our old one does too. We can cut that off for now, you noisy fast pump. Now, with a little bit of luck, we can stand back. Whoa! It's going, boy. Where's the old one at now? Now, does this one still work? No. Okay, so you must got to do them both at the same time. Let's try again. Okay, so that time I was smart enough to do both of them. Let's cut the truck off now and see if both of them work. Old one. Yes. And new one. Yes, now we got 2 working keys. See, now that's gonna come in super handy, so you can have one with you at all times, and then you can leave one at home in your junk drawer, so if you do lock your truck, you got a spare one. Most of the time, if you're like me, you buy used vehicles, it comes with 1 key, and if you lock them in there, you're just screwed. So now we got 2, and I'm super freaking pumped. That was so easy. Now all we gotta do is switch these over, put the new one on the key, and then we'll just stuff this one in the junk drawer. But let's do it YouTube style, shall we? 1, 2, 3. And just like that, boy, we are set now. Look at that. Boy, you got that brand new truck out there? Heck yes, I do. That's that 2011, boy, with the new key. Lock, unlock. Look at it go. I freaking love it, boy. All right, so now that we've done that, I am gonna take a little bit of time here to tighten down the lug nuts on the truck, because we didn't do it in the last video. This way, if Ovi needs to move it for whatever reason, he can. So if you guys wanna stick around, I'm gonna do that. And then maybe something else. I don't know, I'm all around the place like always. Just fun to be in the shop. Want to keep getting this project moving along for spring. So here we go, let's dive into this part. So now that we got those torqued down, all we got to do now is put the hubcaps on. You can see that, the hardcore off-road caps. Super nice. Anyways, we got to find a Allen head that'll fit these, and then we'll put that on. I won't take you through it, that's kind of boring, but here's what they look like after. And wow, if that doesn't absolutely cap them off, get it? It's a cap. But anyways, doesn't that look so good on there? That just really, hold on, let's get the whole thing in there. Really changes the whole freaking look of it. Just coming along so incredible. I love this truck so much. This was my dream truck back in the day, and now to finally have it in the fleet and actually fixing it up and making it nice again is just an absolute dream come true. And I can't thank everybody enough for all the love and support. This thing is gonna be sick. All right, now I promised myself I wouldn't drag this video out any longer than it has to be, which I already done. I know, I'm sorry, but thank you guys again, and really, Boost Auto Parts, check out the keys, guys. I can't thank you guys enough for always believing in us and always pushing us to better ourselves, to grow the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Just wanted to get this in front of you guys. In case you wanted to order this key, you actually know how easy it is and how much of a little subtle detail game changer it can be for your vehicle. So get on the website, see what they got. But stick around, guys, because we got a lot more coming. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Peace. All right, taking a little detour in the shop here. We do got this badass Power Stroke in here. What year is this sucker?
15.
This is a 15. Boy, I really like the looks of that, all black. Is it actually a platinum?
Yes.
Or is it really?
Yeah, it's just
That's the
debadged.
top of the line, just debadged her, huh? Anyways, what kind of setup you got on here? Is it lifted, leveled?
It's leveled on 20
Leveled?
by 12s. With,
20 by 12s?
I think they're 44 offset, and then 35, 12 and a half, 20s.
Well, you understand, Ford actually understands that wheel wells are round, unlike GM, so that kind of helps too.
So you can actually put a bigger tire in your wheel well. That's
Unbelievable. Awesome. But anyways, it's Saturday down here at the Overtime Diesel, hence Overtime Diesel, right? Putting in overtime. Doesn't even matter, working around the clock. But we got the truck in here. Looks good. I really like the grill. That just how they come?
No, it's painted to match, but it's, as you can tell, needs redone. It's all messed up. In here used to be purple, and the paint's faded and gone away now, so it just needs to be redone.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And them headlights, them factory or?
Nope, those are also painted to match, but they need redone as well.
Yeah, how long have you had this truck for?
I've had it for about 2 years. When I bought it, it was lifted on 40s. I lowered it back down to stock height, leveled it, and put the wheels on it, and that's really
gotcha. And just been ripping it ever since.
It's been loyal.
Has it? No major issues, huh?
The only issue I've had is this plastic charge pipe that on every single one of them, it blows out, and I just put another plastic one on it because that's what I had laying around. I have plans for a full piping kit in the future. They're just very expensive.
Yes, they are. Maybe HSP can give you one. Wink,
wink.
wink. There we go. We can put that on the channel. But anyways, what else going on with this sucker? Interior, anything done or just?
Nothing crazy.
No?
It's a mess, but there's 215 sitting on the back seat.
Oh, literally just sitting there too. Look at that little bass in there. What you know about that?
Nothing crazy.
Little platinum seats. See, he ain't lying, boy. That looks good. I like this sucker, actually. A little 7.3 action going on in the back. There's just everything in the shop. You guys got like 12 trucks in here right now.
Can't.
Yeah, just in and out. Love the two-tone tailgate. Looks so good, the platinum tailgate.
Just tie it in. I want to put a set of chrome wheels on it, but...
Yeah, this thing would look good, honestly, on like at least 24s, 26s. This thing would be a... But yeah, wheel and tire setup. 35s look so good on that sucker, and I like the tread pattern. Super nice. And them new tires, they look pretty new.
I mean, they are. I've had them for about a month, and they're real cheap tires, but the best tires I've ever had.
Nice.
So, I mean... I can't complain.
No, not at all. What a sweet truck, man. I really do enjoy it. Everything works on it. No major electrical issues, anything. Transmission.
Runs great.
Yeah.
I haven't had any issues other than that one charge pipe. I guess I did have a coolant leak.
Yeah, but just minor things. For how many miles are on it?
190,000 now.
Yeah, and still running, no issue.
Yep.
Well, it just goes to show you take care of this stuff, they take care of you back. Well, thanks for showing me, brother. I appreciate that. Hell yeah.